Hey everyone, Dr. Baron Grutter here. In this series of videos, I'm going to talk about D3Splint. It is a software utility that I use for making my occlusal guards. And I've made some videos in the past, but this I'm going to try to make a quick series of videos that discusses the basics of the software, along with a few different videos on specific types of splint design. And I don't know about maybe a couple other videos, we'll see. So anyway, first things first, if you are new to the software, you're going to have to obtain it. To do that, you're going to go to d3tool.com and you're going to click on D3Splint, and then you can come into here and you can purchase the software. As of this recording, it's $399, and it allows you to design an unlimited number of splints. There is no pay-to-play feature. It's just a buy it now and design as many as you like. If you when you buy it, you will create an account on the website, and that will allow you to download it. When there is an update, you will need to log back in, so make sure you remember your login credentials, because you will re-download the new updates. Just delete the old version and use the new one. It used to allow us, we used to be able to update the software internally, but that comes with a couple caveats, and so Patrick, Dr. Patrick Moore, right down here, he found that it was just a lot easier if we went ahead and just downloaded a new update, and that's worked fine. So anyway, that's what you're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and I'm going to show you that on my desktop. I'm only showing you a portion of my screen. My mouse kind of falls off the sides because I'm trying to record this in 1080p. But you'll see that on my desktop I've got a folder called CAD software, and for the purpose of this video I've got this occlusal guard demo folder. So if I double click on here, I can come down and I can find my D3Splint folder, and then I've got the original zip folder that I downloaded from the website. Then I've clicked extract all to unzip the folder, and so this is the folder that I'm going to run the software from. I would make sure that you do not have this in Dropbox. I use Dropbox a lot, but you want to have this locally saved on your computer. So if you're using it on a couple different computers, put it on each of them on the actual desktop. I have it on my lab computer in the office. I have it on my laptop and my desktop. So that is the how you want to run this. You want to have it saved locally on your machine, otherwise it can run into issues. So once it's there, I can double click and open it up, and I'm going to find this little icon here, or this little file, d3splint.exe, and double click it to open it up. I'm going to have to move that because it's kind of off the screen right now, I know, but I can close this little pop-up window that pops up here. I don't think I can drag it all. I can close that, and then I'm going to click anywhere to get this little thing to disappear. And now let me drag this to sort of have it fill the screen right quick. Try to keep it fairly well cropped in here. And so now we are ready to use the software. And so once you are ready to get started, you open up this software. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on not for clinical use. That's basically you saying that I'm going to design something, but I'm the one taking responsibility for any guard I design. It's the same thing you do when you use an articulator in your lab and you suck down and make your own night guard. This is just saying that the software itself isn't accepting, liability and whatnot. You are confirming it's going to work. So that's fine. And then the last thing I want to touch on in this video is make sure to check this little auto background box. The reason it's important is because you don't have to do it, but there are a few steps that you don't really need to tell the computer to do. If you check this, those steps will happen in the background while you're accomplishing other tasks. It will save you time. It'll save you maybe 1.5 minutes per appliance. So if you want to see what all is actually happening, leave it unchecked, and then when you're more efficient, you could check it, and that way you don't have to sit there and watch those steps or to trigger them at all, because the software will just automatically do them. So anyway, I always check these two boxes, and now we're ready to pick which type of appliance we want to make. In the following videos, we'll talk about what types of designs there are. Just as an overview, I can pick up mandible or maxilla, and then I can pick the type of appliance. So I guess that's probably it for this video. I feel like there's probably something I'm forgetting, but I think that pretty much covers it all.